around the circle. Did you see that one, Corbin? That funnel? Oh, you've got one there. There's one there coming up, look, yeah,
Oh, there's a bit of fire up the tracks.
Oh, is that what it is? Oh, there is.
Way to prove it, so maybe I'm lying. But I'm only human after all. I'm only human after all. Don't put your blame on me. Don't put your blame on me. Take a look in the mirror. What do you see? Do you see it clearer, or all you deceive? In what you believe. I'm only human after all. And you're only human after all. Don't put the blame on me. Don't put your blame on me. Oh, some people got the real problems. Some people out of love. Some people think I can solve them. Lord, heaven's above. I'm only human. Don't put the blame on me. I'm only human, I do what I can. I'm just a man, I do what I can. Don't put the blame on me.
With their arms out like an angel to the gods unreal. I don't wanna call it art, but you don't wanna call it love. You wanna be the one that I call baby. 'Cause I'm the poison.
Anytime I see you, let me know. But the plan and see, just let me go. I'm on my knees when I'm begging, cause I don't wanna lose you. Hey, yeah, I'm begging, begging you. Put your love in now, baby. I'm begging, begging you. Put your love in now, darling. Begging, begging you. So put your love in the hand out, baby. I'm begging, begging you. So put your love in the hand out.
Oh, this is Maisie's favourite song, this. Oh, is it?
For a while there it was rough, but lately I've been doing better than the last 4 cold Decembers I recall. And I see my family every month. I found a girl my parents love. She'll come and stay the night, and I think I might have it all. And I thank God every day for the girl He sent my way. But I know the things He gives He can take away. And I hold you every night, and that's a feeling I wanna get used to. But there's no man as terrified as the man who stands to lose you. Oh, I hope I don't lose you. Please stay. I want you, I need you, oh God. Don't take these beautiful things that I've got. Please stay. I want you, I need you, oh God. Don't take these beautiful things that stay. I want you, I need you, oh God. I need these beautiful things that I've got.
Like a newborn baby, it just happens every day. I look inside myself and see my heart is black. I see my red door, I must let it fade black. Maybe then I'll fade away and not have to face the fact. It's not easy facing up when your whole world is black.
First things first, I'ma say all the words inside my head. I'm fired up and tired of the way that things have been. Oh, ooh, the way that things have been. Oh, ooh. Second thing, second, don't you tell me what you think that I can be. I'm the one at the sail, I'm the master of my sea. Oh, ooh, the master of my sea. Oh, ooh. I was broken from a young age, taking my soak into the masses, writing my poems for the few that look at me, took at me, shook at me, feeling me, singing from heartache, from the pain, taking my message from the veins, speaking
learning my lesson from the brain, seeing the beauty through